Hi, my name is Dr. Heather Rogers. I'm a practicing dermatologist in Seattle at Modern Dermatology. I'm also the founder and CEO of Dr. Rogers Restore. And right now we're going to talk about Skin Biology 101. The skin is an amazing organ that is constantly turning over and replacing itself. And if we think about it from the bottom up, the deepest layer of the skin is called the hypodermis, or the subcutaneous fat layer. Above that is the dermis, and that's where the collagen in our skin lives. And then above that is the epidermis, and that's where our pigmented cells live, the melanocytes, as well as keratinocytes. Keratinocytes are this beautifully important skin cell that, as it moves up the epidermis, it actually goes from a living cell to a dead cell that forms something called the cornified layer that protects our skin from losing water, from the elements, from the sun, and also from bacteria. So what we want is we want this to be a healthy, rapid process. As we age, this process slows down. So when you're 20, it can take 20 days from that skin cell, the keratinocyte, to go from the basement membrane of the epidermis up to the top of the cornified layer. But by the time you're 40, it's going to take 60 days. And by the time you're 60, it's probably going to take 90 days. So that process, as it slows down, makes our skin look more dull and less uniform. This is where exfoliation has become so popular, is you can actually help exfoliate off those dead skin cells that are hanging out much longer as we age and help sort of reveal more beautiful skin underneath. The problem is many people over exfoliate. So a little bit of exfoliation is a good thing, a lot is a bad thing, and my favorite forms of exfoliation are actually chemical exfoliators like glycolic acid and salicylic acid, as well as vitamin A products like retinols, because those are a little bit more controlled and there's less of a risk of irritating your skin. The other things we want to do to keep our skin beautiful is to protect it from the elements. So 90% of aging comes from the sun. This is why daily sunscreen is so important. And this is also why I recommend people use vitamin C serum or antioxidants on a regular basis. An antioxidant means it prevents the oxidation of cells. Oxidations of cells is a bad thing. It can lead to mutations and unwanted consequences like the breakdown of collagen, the formation of brown spots, and the formation of skin cancers. So if you put on a vitamin C serum every morning, it's going to help protect your skin from the sun and pollution. And if you put sunscreen on every morning, you're going to help protect your skin from the sun. There's some basics. We're going to cover lots of different topics. Let me know if you have any questions.